everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I was having a great day. I got my last Pandora charm, number 12. It's going to be a little house, so I have an unboxing from Pandora today. So if you're new to my channel, welcome in. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe, like, ring the bell. Because when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a spectacular giveaway, and you do not want to miss that. Alright, so it comes in a box like this. They dropped it off. Ted got it for me. So let's go ahead and get my blade. Alright, let's see what the little house looks like. I thought it was going to be a bracelet for the last one in December, but no, it was a house, which I thought was kind of strange, but who knows. And got a gift card, Merry Christmas, Love, Teddy. So that was nice. Got my receipt, and all the 20th year anniversary charms come with a card, and it's a certificate of authenticity. It came in a bag like this, so let's go ahead and take that out. The charms are very hard to see. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram, Susan Senior Style, because I post all the pictures of the day, basically. So here's the card, and it says, since 2000, Pandora charms have captured their stories. This year, 20 years after the release of the iconic Pandora jewelry, we celebrate by relaunching a special collection of limited edition charms from our archives. True Pandora collectors will collect each charm is engraved with a special 20-year hallmark. Throughout 2020, one charm will be released each month. And that's what that looks like. And the little houses on there. One charm, a universe of stories. So that's cool. And then the little charm is a house. I was going to pick it up or not. But it has a little heart. Kind of get the idea. I'll leave a picture on Instagram. This is the care booklet that you get, care and warranty. And these are the little Pandora pouches that you get. And let's see what this one is. Oh, this is a palm tree. It comes in a little baggie. And this one is the Eiffel Tower. And right now they are having 50% off, so make sure that you check it out if you're interested in getting any Pandora charms. Because this is a very good time to pick up on a few, you know, that maybe you're missing or you've been looking at all year, and now it's 50% off. And they're still, even at full price, they're still reasonable. So, I mean, you know, they're pretty cool, actually. Ted got me involved with Pandora. I never had Pandora things before, and then Ted started the madness, so that's his fault. So what I'm going to do is, if anyone is interested in seeing the 12 charm collection, leave me comments below and I'll make sure that I do that video for you. But yeah, that's pretty cool. And the card is made out of like light cardboard. And that's basically what it looks like. Alright, so that's my unboxing of my Pandora for today. And I hope everybody's staying safe. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Good night.